Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can check your Odoo version. So let's get right into it. Now, if you've downloaded and made an installation of Odoo on your device, most likely within the files you can also see which version it is, and in the downloaded zip file or archive that you did to download the whole installation, you might see the version number such as 18.0 or 18.1 or whatever it is, but there is also another way to check it. Now, you can check it through this dashboard, which I am currently on. You can access this through the internet, through the online version, or you can open up the server, run the server, and then get to this dashboard by just going to your website URL /8069 or just localhost 8069 if you're running it on localhost. However, no matter what you use, you should get to this screen right here. And what we're going to do is use the settings module. So just click on that. And once we're here, what you need to do is just in general settings, which you'll be on by default, scroll all the way down. And here under about, you will see these two QR codes. These are QR codes for downloading them on the mobile version, such as Google Play or the App Store. And right under that, you'll see the version. As you can see, my current version is Odoo SaaS 18.2 plus E, which is the enterprise version, and that is pretty much all there is to it. It's very easy to do. As I've mentioned, you can do this through the standalone version or through running your own server as well. And you can also, if you can't find it here, you can probably find it in the files of the installation you've installed on your device. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.